Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to adjust the backlash on the Sky-Watcher Adventurer GTi mount. This mount basically has a very common problem where the RA axis has backlash, and I don't know if you can see it on camera, but when I move it, it has a bit of slop. Basically, you tighten the clutch here and do it. I'm moving it at the moment, and I can feel slop by hand. So, and you will notice this when I'm guiding. I'm noticing a spike, like it's losing a bit of. It has backlash in the gears. So we're gonna fix that today, and you're gonna learn with me because I never done it, but I saw some YouTube videos, and I'm pretty sure I can do this because I'm pretty handy with tools and stuff. And as far as tools, I believe it's like an Allen key and maybe a screwdriver on it, so we don't need a lot of tools. All right. So first thing is we have to remove these knobs at the side. Just unscrew them anti-clockwise, and be careful because there is washer. The washer goes like this, the deep part inside. If you lose track of it, and there's one on the other side. Keep them safe here. Now there's this shaft here has two Allen screws. Those black screws, two Allen screws. You need to remove those. And in this case, I use an Allen key. I removed one of them already, so I'm not gonna remove it. And be careful because there is a washer as well. Don't lose that washer because it helps clamp down the shaft. Alright, so now we have to remove this shaft. What I did, because it was a bit tight, pliers and did some tape at the end so I don't scratch the surfaces. But basically pull up like this so you remove the weight. Okay, it's off. It really doesn't take a lot of force. Don't worry, you're not gonna damage anything. As long as you do that tape, should be good. It's the shaft. And now we have to believe this. You see this? There's like a fork here. We thread this inside, so it goes inside, so it doesn't interfere. So we can put the whole housing back. All right, so now it's moved back, and now I have to remove. There are four small Allen screws here. You have this one, and on the other side, it's here and here. We have four. Okay, so I think I need a smaller Allen screw for this. These small Allen screws make me nervous. But they shouldn't be tight. Yeah, you see, broke. Alright, so I removed the four screws. As you can see, they are here. And as you can see, this cap is flopping around now. So I tried to remove it, and I can't seem to find a way to remove it. I'm sure it removes, but you don't need to remove it. Actually, the screw we need to adjust is here. As you can see, it's here. We need to adjust this one, the Allen key one. And actually mine, there is a gear here, you can see. Mine has quite a bit of slop, as you can see. So now we just tighten it a bit till this gear stops Not now. Be careful. Don't just tighten it, and over tighten it. You just need to tighten, just slightly. When I say just slightly, maybe quarter, not even quarter turn of a screwdriver. And feel the backlash while you're doing this. It feels pretty good, maybe just a little bit more. Yeah, I went too far. If the gear stops moving completely, go back. Because you don't want to lock up the gears. I think it's pretty good. I'm testing by hand. Yeah, the flop is gone. So that's it. We fixed the mount, and there's plenty of grease there, so I don't need to add any. And I'll give you a close-up shot. This is the screw I adjusted here, and as you can see, the big gear. It's hard to do with one hand, but the big gear as you can see, only has a tiny amount of backlash. That tiny amount of backlash, it needs it. It doesn't need to be super tight. So now we screw back together everything, the reversal of removal obviously, and you're pretty much done. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Clear skies.